Hey guys, this is Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, out here today with the Diode Dynamics license plate lights for the F150. We're going to throw these in real quick and give you guys a little overview on them, but first make sure you head down below, hit subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram to keep up with everything we got going on. So the bulb we have here to install is the Diode Dynamics SMD2, which is a 24 lumen output. We also have a lower output SMD1 or a higher output HP3. Depending on the bulb, it will vary how bright the light is, but the install is going to be the same no matter what. So the tools you'll need for this install are really simple. Basically, it's just a body panel tool and a flathead screwdriver with a very small tip on it. What we're going to do first, grab our body tool, and you're just going to pry up on the end of the housing between the bumper here. You don't have to put too much force behind it, just enough to get it to pop free. Once that's out, it'll expose the back side where you can twist this socket and expose the bulb. Once you have the bulb exposed, you're going to take your flathead screwdriver, kind of gently insert it in here to pop it forward. We found that these sit in there pretty tightly, so just pulling on it with your fingers doesn't always get it off, but once you pop it free, it'll just pull right out, and you can set that off to the side. Then we take our new Diode Dynamics bulb. It's the same shaped blade on the bottom, so that's just simply going to punch right in place. A little bit of pressure, we can pop that in there, make sure it's snug. We'll grab the housing again, and position it to where we can twist it in, and then the housing simply applies with pressure, so you'll pop that back into the bumper, and that's all it takes. Install complete. So as you can see, the Diode Dynamics bulbs are a super simple install to get a little bit brighter light output and also a nice clean white color instead of the standard yellow. So that wraps up our install of these Diode Dynamics license plate lights. One thing to note is if you turn on your truck and the lights don't come on, you may need to go in and just rotate that bulb 180 degrees and reinsert it to get it to turn on properly. But once you have it installed, you get a nice clean white output, a little bit brighter than the factory bulbs, and definitely modernizes the back of the truck a little bit. So if you guys want to pick up a set of these bulbs for your truck, head down to the description below, click the link and it'll shoot you over to our website. So now that we've got these Diode Dynamics LED bulbs installed and it's a little later in the evening and we're kind of in the shade, you can get a better idea for how these actually look on the truck and what that light output is like. The halogen bulbs obviously were a lot more yellow and a lot more dim. Just looking at these right off the bat, you can see how much brighter and cleaner they are. It's a nice white light and it's pretty bright, especially when it gets to be nighttime and you see the whole reflection off the plate. It definitely fills the area. But as far as just looking nice and matching the modern look of the truck, it's a great fit. This is a 2018 model and these look like they should have come from factory. If you guys are interested in picking up a set of these Diode Dynamics bulbs for your truck, you can head down the description below, click the link and it'll shoot you over to our site, and we'll see you guys next time.